Corner shelving can transform awkward nooks into practical storage and display areas in small homes. Start by measuring the corner depth and height using a tape measure and mark studs with a stud finder so you know where you can anchor heavy loads. For triangular wall shelves, choose hardwood or plywood at least 3/4 of an inch thick and attach with metal corner brackets and toggle anchors for drywall. Ensure each shelf is level by using a spirit level and spacing shelves about 12 to 14 inches apart for visible display and easy access. When installing a corner cabinet, with a Lazy Susan plan for the door swing and cabinet depth so the rotating shelves clear the opening. Install a high-quality bearing system rated for at least 50 pounds per shelf and balance load distribution by placing heavier items at the back. For floor-to-ceiling corner units, secure a top and bottom rail to transfer load into studs and use adjustable shelf pins so you can reconfigure spacing as needs change. Consider adding a thin adhesive rubber strip to shelf edges to prevent sliding in high traffic zones. Corner ladder shelves work well without wall fixings if the top piece rests against the wall and you add anti-tip straps at the upper back anchored into studs for safety. Choose tapered or staggered shelf depths so the display reads well from the room and heavier items go on lower shelves. Recessed corner niches in bathrooms require planning for plumbing and checking behind the wall for pipes and electrical first. Frame a shallow opening in the stud cavity. Use moisture-resistant backer board and silicone sealant around the edges, and finish with tile or painted niche shelves that slope slightly to shed water. People often underestimate load limits and anchor into drywall only, which leads to sagging or failure, so always find studs or use rated anchors and leave heavier items for lower shelves. Another common mistake is overcrowding shelves, which makes small spaces feel cluttered instead of organized, so edit items regularly and mix storage baskets with a few display pieces to keep visual breathing room. A third issue is ignoring moisture and ventilation in bathrooms and kitchens, which causes mold and warping, so use water-resistant materials, seal edges, and leave a small gap behind closed cabinets for air circulation. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to home storage and remodeling. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share installation tips, product recommendations, and practical experiences.